Today we're going to actually bring a heating mat, and this is perfect for those that are having chronic pains or any kind of issues that you have that you need that extra warmth and nice soothing feeling that you're being hugged and being warm. Now this works great anywhere pretty much. You can even use this in your car just to keep you warm. And a winter day, this is perfect. Somebody is coming off from the cold and needs to be warmed up real quick. This is a very good way to do it. Now just be aware, keep water away from it because there are some coils in here that are running through. We're going to take a look at it and we're going to see what you get. So just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. They give you the actual 2-point connection for the power, of course. They give you the actual connection for the system because this needs to be connected to for the coils. We're going to go ahead and do a thermal to find out how hot it gets and how warm it gets and how low you can lower it down and control it. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, what you do is you can open it up here because this is just a cover for the outside. You can see this, the buttons. So this is the actual therapy, this connection that you need. This could be washable, right? So if you have somebody that, you don't want to make sure that you get dirty or anything like that, this is replaceable, washable, easy to do. Now, this has lifetime warranty. No hassle free. They will not complain. They just replace it and send you a new one. So very simple, easy to use. Let's go ahead and connect this. So basically you connect this part of it. It's like a puzzle piece. You see that little niche? If you guys can see that little piece missing here, it connects down here. It's just, that's it. We're set up. Now we can lock this in place. Close this out and then stretch this out and plug it in and see how it works. All right, I had to turn off a light. So what you guys see, timer on the plus and minus. This is for timer. So we could go plus or we're going to go minus. We're going to go 1 minute and 30. It goes by 30 minutes, right? So 1 minute. We're going to do 1 minute. And then here it says, what level do you want it? 3, 2, or 1? 4, 5, 6, up to 6 levels. So we're going to go down to the first one and just to see how warm it is. And then we're gonna let it run, see how it feels. And I actually feel it warming up right now. Yeah, it's actually warming up the whole entire area. And this size is pretty big. This will cover your entire back if you see it. It's about 23.5 inches, 23 inches to be exact. 23 by 12, right? So it's gonna cover a good area in your back. This is gonna be covering pretty much more of your back. So let's go ahead and set this up on level 1 and see how it works. So I feel it warm. It's actually really warm right now. So we're going to actually do a thermal camera and come back and see how hot we can get it. See the coils working right now, if you guys can see all that. And right now we're at about, I would say like maybe, 80 degrees, which is not that bad. It's not that hot. It's perfect. It's tolerable. All right. So the whole system itself, it's covering. Now we're going to move it to level 3. All right, we're actually go to level 6, the highest one. So let's do level 6 and let's see how hot we can get it. So right now at level 6 we're getting it hot right now. So this is my hand. I'm about like 93 right now, 91 on one side. I'm cooler, but compared to the actual system itself, it's actually getting real warm right now. And we have like maybe a minute to go on the system. So we're running it. It's not that hot. If that's the hottest it goes, I mean, we're getting like maybe 80 to 90 degrees, but it won't go higher than that. I think it's a safety mechanism, which is perfect so it won't burn or anything like that. Because if you go extremely hot and it's not tolerable, this is actually really good. This is something that, elderly people that are, suffering from losing heat, this is perfect. I wouldn't recommend you sleeping with it, but if you do, put the timer on. That's one thing I do. I actually keep away from things that I don't want to keep them overnight, but it's just me. But anybody out there can do whatever they want with it. So it's heating up and we're getting about, I would say 100 degrees. And that's on the highest level right now. It won't go over 100. In fact, let me get it closer so you can see how much it is really getting right there. About 102, 101, 100. It's jumping, and in this corner, it's supposed to be like the hottest, but not bad for an actual system. Very simple, easy to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.